Ever wondered how the journey of a cargo shipment from China to Pakistan unfolds? Surely it must be more than just loading and unloading goods, right? Buckle up as we embark on this fascinating voyage across seas and borders. The first step of this intricate process begins with the exporter in China. The exporter prepares all the necessary documents, including the commercial invoice, packing list, and the bill of lading. These documents are essential for the shipment's smooth transition through various customs checkpoints. Next, a freight forwarder is hired. This freight forwarder arranges for the cargo to be picked up and transported to the port of origin. Here, the cargo is loaded onto a container, which is then sealed and marked with a unique tracking number. This number is a lifeline for businesses as it allows them to track their cargo in real time. Once the cargo is secured, it's time for the journey to begin. The container is loaded onto a massive seafaring vessel, which embarks on a journey across the South China Sea, through the Strait of Malacca and into the Arabian Sea. This voyage can take up to 15 days, but the exact duration depends on the sailing schedule and weather conditions. Upon reaching the port of Karachi, the container is offloaded and inspected by customs officials. They verify the documents and ensure that the cargo complies with Pakistan's import regulations. Once the officials give the green light, the container is released for pickup. The final step in this journey is the inland transportation. The cargo is transferred onto a truck or train and transported to its final destination, thus completing the journey from China to Pakistan. To summarize, the cargo shipping process from China to Pakistan involves 5 key steps. First, the exporter prepares the necessary documents. Second, a freight forwarder is hired to transport the cargo to the port of origin. Third, the cargo is loaded onto a sea vessel and embarks on a long journey to the port of Karachi. Fourth, the cargo is inspected by customs officials. Finally, the cargo is transported inland to its final destination. This process may seem complex, but it's a well-oiled machine that ensures the safe and timely delivery of goods across the globe. So next time you receive a shipment from China, you'll know the remarkable journey it has undertaken.